afternoon, everyone. Breaking news. Two armed men robbed the FRM bank this morning. Security footage of the suspect is being reviewed. The bank is offering the sum of 10 million naira reward for the information leading to the arrest. Thank you for watching.
My God! You try! I don't know say you dey like this, oh.
Now almost 10 years why I don't handle go my mouth.
When you ain't say claim like this is a joke. I like the way you slap that manager.
Now hustle we dey, like hustling grind we dey, my man.
Guy, you're too good. You're too
No,
good.
they pity all this man manager before say they go, you dey leave their face.
You're too good. Hold this gun. Hold this gun. Man surprise you. Choo, see money we will collect. Bro. Chee. Man give you your own. Don't try.
Jesus,
I dey like people like you. Collect. Okay, so next time now, you don't try. Later.
Hey. So you get man like this, Abi. Everybody they carry their plate. You dey crazy. One thing they worry you, you the mad guy. They see that all. I know like cheating for my life. I know they want me person cheat. Don't try this nonsense. What if you all this one now? You see what you can't give me at all?
this is playing.
Like give me plenty things like this. Don't collect more for transport.
Let's have it.
Collect. Come in for the next deal, oh.
Okay now. Thank you.
Chama, now.
247 every day you come through for me.
I hope you enjoy that Robbery video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.